Hi, I'm Dylan Seifert. I'm with exploreClarion.com. I'm here at DB Smokin BBQ. Here's Doug Bauer trying the famous brisket here.
This is brisket. Comes from the pectoral part of the cow, or beef, as we like to say. This has been cooked for 12 hours, 11.5, 12 hours. It's prime cut. It's rubbed. It's got a slight smoke ring. I don't smoke as hard as all other smokers do. I wrap my meat after it gets too much smoke. I'd like you to taste it, though. This is savory sauce. You don't need to dip it in sauce, but you can.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
I appreciate your time.
No problem.
Thank you.